Topic is applications of derivatives. Now in applications of derivative, first topic which we'll be studying is average and marginal concepts. Okay, the first is total revenue function. Now total revenue function is nothing but quantity demanded, okay, into price of that quantity which you have sold. So basically, suppose D is quantity which is demanded, and assume that whatever you have demanded is also sold. Okay, suppose you have demanded 100 items, so all the 100 items have been sold at the price P, then the total revenue is nothing but price into quantity which has been sold. Next is average revenue. Average revenue is the total income or the total revenue by the total items sold. Okay, so it is R by D. Now next is marginal revenue. Marginal revenue is nothing but change in revenue. So change in revenue is nothing but derivative of revenue with respect to quantity demanded or quantity sold. So MR is nothing but derivative of revenue with respect to quantity, that is D. Let's look at this example. If demand function is given as this, now we need to find total revenue function, average revenue and marginal revenue when demand is given as 2. So let's start with total revenue. Now demand function is given as 4 plus 3D minus 5D square. This is demand function. Okay, and we know that revenue is nothing but P into D. So this is 4 plus 3D minus 5D square multiplied by D, quantity demanded. Just multiply this, this will be 4D plus 3D square minus 5D cube. This is nothing but total revenue function. Next is average revenue. What is average revenue? Average revenue is total revenue divided by quantity demanded. So it is R by D. What is R? 4D plus 3D square minus 5D cube divided by D. So taking D common from all these terms, what we have is 4 minus 3D minus 5D square by D. So this D will get cancelled. Average revenue is 4 minus 3D minus 5D square. Next is marginal revenue when demand is given as 2. Okay. So this is the revenue function. We need to find marginal revenue, and marginal revenue is nothing but change in revenue with respect to quantity demanded or sold. Now in this case, quantity demanded is given as 2. Let's find first marginal revenue. So it is derivative of function 4D plus 3D square minus 5D cube with respect to D. So 4 is a constant. Derivative of D, it's same as x. Suppose we have x raised to power n, derivative of x raised to power n is nx n minus 1. Similarly, derivative of d raised to power n with respect to d is n d n minus 1. So here power is 1, so this will be 1 d 1 minus 1 plus 3, power is 2, so it will be 2d 2 minus 1 minus 5 is a constant, 3 cube, sorry d cube, so this will be 3d 3 minus 1. So 4, this is d raised to power 0 plus 6 d raised to power 1 minus 15 d raised to power 2. Now we know that any number or raised to power 0 is always 1. So anything raised to power 0 is always 1. So this is also 1. So we are left with only 4 here. Then this is 6d minus 15d square. This is marginal revenue or change in revenue. Now we need to find marginal revenue when demand is given as 2. We just have to substitute 2 here. So this is 4 plus 6 into 2 minus 15 into 2 square. This will be 4, 12 minus 15 into 4. So 16 minus 60, which is minus 44. Okay. So marginal revenue when demand is 2 is nothing but minus 44. Next example, the total revenue R of a firm when the demand for its good X is given by R equals to 15x minus 2x square minus x cube. The total revenue is given as 15x minus 2x square minus x cube, wherein x is demand. Find the average revenue and the marginal revenue when the demand is 2. So we need to find average revenue and marginal revenue when demand is given as 2. Now in previous example, demand was represented by using letter D, wherein in this case it is represented using letter X. Okay. So first is average revenue. Now how do we find average revenue? It is nothing but revenue upon the demand, the quantity demanded or quantity sold. Okay. So what is revenue? Revenue is 15x minus 2x square minus x cube upon quantity demanded. Now x is common, so take x common. Remaining is 15 minus 2x minus x square by x. This x will get cancelled. So average revenue is 15 minus 2x minus x square. We need to find average revenue when demand is 2. When demand is given as 2. So this will be 15 minus 2 into 2 minus 2 square. So 15 minus 4 minus 4, it is 15 minus 8, it is nothing but 7. So average revenue when demand is 2 is nothing but 7. Next is marginal revenue. Marginal revenue is change in revenue with respect to quantity demanded or sold. So change in revenue. What is revenue? 15x minus 2x square minus x cube with respect to x. So 15 is a constant, derivative of x is 1, 2 is a constant, derivative of x square is 2x minus derivative of x cube is 3x square. So what we have is 15 minus 4x minus 3x square. This is marginal revenue. But we need to find marginal revenue when demand is given as 2. So substitute, this is 4 into 2 minus 3 into 2 square. This will be 15 minus 8 minus 3 into 4. So 15 minus 8, 7 minus 12. This will be minus 5. So marginal revenue when demand is given as 2 is nothing but minus 5.